At the CNC tool library, we can designate the tools which we would want Cabinet Pro to automatically insert into any given routing operation, such as a dado cut or a rabbet cut. If we look at the summary of our tool library, we see that I have designated 3 tools that Cabinet Pro may use at the CNC Smart Rules screen in order to insert the most efficient tool for a given routing and machining operation, which is usually a dado or a rabbet. To demonstrate how this works, let's first look at our CNC machining library. We have defined the width of our dado to be 50% of the thickness of the cabinet bottom that will fit into the dado. 50% of our 3/4 inch bottom comes out to be a width of 3/8 for our dado. But we have assigned a tool with a 1/2 inch diameter to cut a dado of a width which is quite a bit smaller, 3/8 of an inch that is, than the tool's diameter. Obviously, this would result in an error. We could, of course, change our tool to a 3/8 diameter tool, but what if we change the material from a 3/4 inch cherry ply to 1/2 inch material? In that case, the 3/8 diameter tool would not work either, because 50% of a 1/2 inch is 1/4 inch, which would not be cut out by a 3/8 diameter tool. We solve this problem at the Smart CNC Rules screen, where we simply place a check in the box titled Activate Automatic Tool Selection. Now, when we process that particular dado operation that we looked at on a cabinet with a 3/4 inch bottom, we see that the tool has been automatically replaced with a 3/8 diameter tool, which will properly machine the 3/8 wide dado. And when we process that same dado operation on a cabinet with a 1/2 inch bottom, we see that the tool has been automatically replaced with a 1/4 inch diameter tool for the 1/4 inch dado cut to accommodate our 1/2 inch birch ply cabinet bottom. Remember, both of these replacement tools have been selected from those tools we designated to be used at the tool library. Placing a check in this box affects only this rule. If this box is left unchecked for a given rule, then the tool that has been assigned at the CNC machining library will not be replaced. Let's uncheck the box and test once again our SMART rule. Now that our box is unchecked, we will get the same result if we test either of our cabinets. Notice the original 1/2 inch diameter tool that was originally assigned to this machining operation has not been replaced, and of course will generate a processing error if it is run on the router. Most of your Smart CNC rules will have this feature turned off because the great majority of your machining operations should be cut with the tool that you designate. But there will be times when a dado cut is being made for a part that changes in material thickness depending upon the job. In those cases, you have the option of having Cabinet Pro replace a tool when necessary in order to adjust to material thickness changes.